getting the washing in and I saw a bug and I wondered, how hard could it be to be David Attenborough? And because that bug flew away, I needed to find another one. And then I wrote a script about a ladybird, and then I did the voiceover of the script. Over the course of its life, a single ladybird... And here's the video of me trying to be a nature documentarist. This little fellow, no bigger than a fingernail, is one of the garden's greatest hunters. Beneath those polished red wing cases and neat black spots lies an insect perfectly designed for survival. With tiny hooked feet, it clings effortlessly to swaying stems, even in the wind, while patiently searching for its favourite prey, aphids. Over the course of its life, a single ladybird may devour thousands of them, quietly protecting the plants around it. And when danger approaches, this seemingly harmless beetle reveals a clever defense, releasing a bitter yellow fluid that warns predators to stay away. Small, resilient, and surprisingly fierce, the ladybird is one of nature's miniature success stories.